Burco is the aftermarket leader in providing quality products and solutions for broken side view mirrors. The following video equips you with easy-to-use instructions for installing your Burco replacement mirror. Reference the install code on your mirror glass replacement box. Replacing a damaged side view mirror can be performed in 6 easy steps using Burco mirror glass replacement. You will need these tools to install your Burco mirror replacement. Please follow industry-accepted recommendations for personal safety. Remove the broken glass and gasket from the mirror head with a small screwdriver or fiber stick. You may have to remove a framing screw. If possible, use the existing gasket. Remove broken glass from the gasket and clean with glass cleaner. Install the gasket around the mirror. Be sure that the front of the mirror is facing out. The Burco part number can be read from the front. Lubricate the edge of the gasket with silicone or urethane to ease its installation into the mirror frame. With the gasket installed on the Burco mirror glass replacement, gently tap the gasket edges into the mirror head. You may have to use a mallet. In this case, it wasn't required. Clean the installed Burco mirror glass replacement with glass cleaner. For additional information, visit burcoinc.com.